Have you ever wondered if there's another you out there in a universe parallel to ours? Imagine for a moment a reality where everything that could happen does happen. Somewhere in some alternate universe, you've already had your morning coffee? Or perhaps you're the president. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this concept is rooted in a fundamental field of science? Quantum physics. Quantum physics, the science of the extremely small, the subatomic level, paints a peculiar picture of reality. It suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Now, if we scale this up, it implies that not just particles, but entire universes could also exist in different states concurrently. Welcome to the concept of the multiverse. The multiverse theory posits that there isn't just one universe, but an infinite number of universes, each differing from the other in small or significant ways. These alternate universes, each with its own laws of physics, timelines and realities, together comprise the multiverse. It's a mind-boggling concept that challenges our traditional understanding of existence and reality. But why does this matter? Why should we concern ourselves with the possibility of alternate universes? Well, the implications are profound. If the multiverse theory holds true, it means that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes. It means that everything that has ever happened, is happening or could happen, is taking place somewhere in the multiverse. This concept, as fascinating as it is, reshapes our perspective of reality. It reminds us of the vastness of existence, the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our singular perception. It challenges us to think beyond the confines of our universe, to question, to ponder, and to marvel at the enigma of existence. In a universe that is infinite, the possibilities are also infinite. It all begins with the strange and mind-boggling world of quantum physics. This is the realm where tiny particles like electrons and photons reside, dancing to the tune of laws that seem to defy our everyday intuition. First, let's tackle superposition. Imagine a coin spinning in mid-air. It's not strictly heads or tails, but a blurred blend of both until it lands. This is how particles behave in the quantum realm. They can be in multiple states at once, only settling into one when observed. This is the principle of superposition. The idea that a particle can exist in all its theoretically possible states at once. Now let's move on to entanglement. Picture two entwined dancers, no matter how far apart they are. If one spins, the other instantly mirrors the action, even if they're galaxies apart. In the quantum world, particles can become entangled, meaning the state of one is immediately connected to the state of another, no matter the distance between them. This is quantum entanglement. These principles may seem far removed from our daily lives, but they hint at something truly astonishing: the existence of alternate universes. According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics, every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into multiple versions, each experiencing a different outcome. In this way, there could be countless universes, each representing a different outcome of every event that has ever occurred. Imagine then that for every decision you've made, there's a universe where you made a different choice. A universe where you took that job or didn't. Where you turned left instead of right. Where you said yes instead of no. This is the power of quantum physics. It suggests that we're not just passive observers in this universe, but active participants in a vast, interconnected multiverse. It's not just about what's happening out there in the cosmos, but what's happening right here, in the very fabric of our existence. As per quantum physics, we're not just in the universe, but the universe is within us. One of the most fascinating interpretations of quantum mechanics is the many worlds interpretation. This mind-bending concept, born from the fertile mind of physicist Hugh Everett in the mid-20th century, suggests that every decision we make, every action we take, could potentially result in the creation of an entirely new universe. A world where an alternative version of you chose differently. Imagine for a moment you're at a crossroads, deciding whether to turn left or right. In one universe you turn left, and in another you turn right. Both universes exist simultaneously, each as real as the other, and each with its own unique chain of events that unfold from that single decision. The many worlds interpretation is like a cosmic tree of life, where each branch represents a different universe, and each twig is a decision that creates another branch. It's an infinite web of possibilities, where every conceivable outcome of every conceivable event exists somewhere in this vast cosmic tree. It's a notion that challenges our understanding of reality. For if this interpretation holds true, then the universe we perceive is merely one thread in an immeasurable tapestry of universes, a single note in the grand symphony of existence. But what might these other universes look like? Could there be a universe where you're a rock star, a scientist, or the president? Could there be a universe where dinosaurs still roam the Earth, or where the laws of physics are entirely different? The many worlds interpretation doesn't provide definitive answers to these questions, but it does open the door to an endless realm of possibilities. This concept, while still a subject of debate among physicists, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the enigma of existence. So, next time you make a decision, no matter how insignificant it may seem, remember this: each choice you make could create a ripple in the fabric of reality, branching out into infinite universes. This notion of alternate universes can have profound implications on our perception of life and reality. As we delve deeper into the concept of alternate universes, we begin to see the philosophical implications this theory could have on our understanding of free will, destiny, and the meaning of life itself. The idea that there could be countless versions of ourselves, each making different choices and leading different lives, forces us to reconsider the concept of free will. In a multiverse, is our will truly free, or are we simply one of the infinite variations of ourselves, each living out a predetermined path? If every possible outcome of every decision we make is being played out in some alternate universe, then to what extent do our choices matter? This is a question that can baffle even the most astute minds. Now let's think about destiny. In a world where every possible outcome exists somewhere, the concept of fate or destiny becomes, shall we say, a bit complicated. Are we destined to live out all possible lives, or is destiny itself an illusion, a mere product of the universe we happen to inhabit at this moment? Moving on, let's ponder the meaning of life in light of the multiverse theory. If there are infinite versions of us each living out different lives, then what is the purpose of our individual existence? Perhaps the meaning of life is not a single universal truth, but rather an ever-changing kaleidoscope of possibilities shaped by the choices we make and the universes we inhabit. Ultimately, the notion of alternate universes challenges our understanding of reality. It invites us to view ourselves not as singular beings, but as part of a vast and intricate cosmic tapestry woven from the threads of infinite possibilities. Remember, these are profound philosophical questions that don't have definitive answers. They are meant to stimulate thought and open our minds to new perspectives. We are all a part of a larger cosmic play, where each of us could be living infinite lives in infinite realities. Despite the intriguing possibilities, the concept of alternate universes leaves us with more questions than answers. As we journey through the cosmos of theoretical physics, each new discovery seems to birth a multitude of new questions, like a cosmic Russian nesting doll. Our understanding of alternate universes, for instance, is still in its infancy. We grapple with the notion of infinite realities, each subtly or drastically different from our own. Could there be a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct? Or one where the laws of physics as we know them don't apply? Or perhaps even a universe where you are the one narrating this video? These are questions that we cannot answer yet. And then there's the question of interaction. If these alternate universes do exist, can we ever hope to interact with them, or are they forever beyond our reach, like ships passing in the night? Furthermore, the concept of alternate universes challenges our understanding of time and space. Is time linear, or does it branch off into multiple paths? How does space or the multiverse accommodate an infinite number of universes? These questions are not just philosophical musings, but active areas of research. Scientists around the world are tirelessly probing the mysteries of the universe, hoping to uncover the secrets of the multiverse. The theoretical physicist Brian Greene once said, "Science is the process of going up alleys to see if they are blind." And indeed, our search for answers about alternate universes may lead us down many blind alleys. But every now and then, we might stumble upon an alley that opens up into a whole new avenue of understanding. The potential for future discoveries is immense. Perhaps one day we might even find a way to peek into these other worlds, to glimpse at the endless possibilities of existence. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we realize that we are just beginning to scratch the surface of the mysteries of the universe. The concept of alternate universes, with its unanswered questions and limitless potential, reminds us just how much there is still to discover.